It's in the middle of the night, like 8 p.m. and Burger One is still open. That's it. They are serving, and if the burger is good, man, sometimes in Houston, Texas, Atlanta, San Antonio, it's hard to find a place like a burger place, decent, nice burger at night. St. Croix, Caribbean, they have it. Really cool, guys. Looks awesome. Looks awesome. It's awesome. They have everything like burgers, sandwiches, chicken wings, fried shrimp. It's amazing. And it looks good. So let's see the chicken wings. Oh, it's breaded. Let's see the chicken wings. Oh my god, so good. Really good. For real. Holy moly. Honest. Like a Burger King kind of thing. Honest, nah. But chicken wings is pretty good. But really, to have all this late in the night, check. I approve it. Like, it works.